You know, I'm always learning new words. I'm a linguist to the core, but not necessarily a very good one. You know, I'm interested in languages and words and learning new grammar and blah blah blah. But whatever, anyway. I have a lot of trouble sometimes though when I'm learning a new word and it sounds like something else. You know, something that's kind of dirty, you know? For example, a word that I learned, you know, a little while ago, follaje. Spanish word follaje, right? Now, very nice, very useful word, but, you know, at the same time when I hear it, I'm all like, pero follaje, eso es lo que se hace en la cama, ¿verdad? No, no, no. You know, and it's like, pero follaje, no, 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 it means foliage, it means foliage. Okay. No, you know, that's how it goes, right? Then, there's another interesting one that I learned recently, which is culebrón, okay? Y supongo que todos ustedes ya saben que un culebrón es una telenovela. Pero yo no lo sabía, ¿ok? Así que piénsenlo así de esta manera. Que culebrón es como mitad culo y mitad cabrón. Así que podría ser como potencialmente todo un gran insulto, ¿sabes? Entonces sería como, ¡esos culebrones! Bueno. No, and also, I'm reminded a little bit back of, you know, when I was in my Philosophy 101 critical thinking class, and, you know, we talked about, like, logical fallacies, and, you know, I'm like, fallacies. And I think you all know, there's nothing logical when there's a fallacy involved, right? Yeah.